Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a lovely, well-appointed, two-story, five-bedroom, four-bathroom house for sale in Old Harbour, St. Catherine. The land area of this house is approximately 3,519 square feet. It comes with laundry room, storeroom, garage, automatic gate, air condition, fans, and solar water heater. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 32 million or US $207,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.